Welcome back to Auto Street. In today's video, we're diving into a true masterpiece of engineering, the 2025 BMW M4 CS. This car isn't just about looks, it's a blend of cutting-edge performance and luxury that pushes the boundaries of what's possible on the road. If you're a fan of BMW's M series, then the M4 CS is a car you're going to want to know more about. Let's start with the heart of the M4 CS, the engine. This beast comes equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six engine that is turbocharged to perfection. What's truly impressive here is the power. With a staggering 543 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, the M4 CS is ready to take on any road with ease. But it's not just the raw power that stands out. It's the way that power is delivered. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which allows for seamless gear shifts and a spine-tingling driving experience. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising down the highway, this car will never fail to impress. Now, let's talk performance. The M4 CS has been designed for driving enthusiasts who demand more than just straight-line speed. This car is all about handling, agility, and precision. With a track-ready suspension system, adaptive dampers, and an electronically controlled, limited-slip rear differential, the M4 CS offers incredible cornering capabilities and stability at high speeds. And when it comes to stopping power, you'll appreciate the carbon ceramic brakes, which provide exceptional stopping performance, even under the most intense driving conditions. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to be glued to the road, the M4 CS will show you firsthand. But it's not just the performance that makes the M4 CS special. The design of this car is absolutely stunning. From the aggressive front grille to the sculpted hood, every inch of the M4 CS has been crafted with aerodynamics and style in mind. The carbon fiber elements throughout the car not only reduce weight, but also give the M4 CS a more aggressive track-inspired look. The car sits low, wide, and ready for action, with the iconic BMW M colors adding a touch of motorsport heritage to the overall aesthetic. Inside, the M4 CS doesn't disappoint either. The cabin is a perfect balance of luxury and performance. The sports seats are upholstered in merino leather and Alcantara, offering both comfort and support during spirited driving. The M-specific steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, provides a direct connection between the driver and the road. And the minimalist design ensures that every control is exactly where it needs to be, so you can focus on what really matters: the driving experience. Of course, no modern BMW would be complete without a suite of advanced technology. The M4 CS is equipped with the latest iDrive system, which integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls in one easy-to-use interface. The optional heads-up display gives you important driving information without taking your eyes off the road, while the surround view camera system ensures you can always park with confidence. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, you'll feel just as at home inside the M4 CS as you do behind the wheel. One of the most impressive aspects of the M4 CS is its balance of everyday usability and track-ready performance. This car can easily be used as a daily driver, thanks to its comfortable ride and advanced driver assist features. But when you're ready to hit the track or just enjoy a spirited drive on your favorite winding road, the M4 CS transforms into a true performance machine that will put a smile on your face every time you press the accelerator. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW M4 CS is a car that truly lives up to the M badge. It combines blistering performance, cutting-edge technology, and a stunning design into one unforgettable package. Whether you're a seasoned driving enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the art of fine engineering, the M4 CS is a car that will make every journey a thrilling experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the M4 CS, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive content right here on the channel. Thanks for watching,